This is the summary created from the video. Cloud Computing Web Services. Service-oriented architecture. Web services are XML-based applications accessible via URI, enabling interoperability between diverse systems through structured programming and distributed computing models. Interoperability allows software from different vendors and platforms to communicate and share data effectively, a necessity that proprietary systems struggle with due to their limited scope. Electronic Data Interchange, or EDI, was an early development that facilitated computer-to-computer exchange of business data in pre-agreed formats, paving the way for automated data exchange before the advent of the web. Web services explain the concept of modular software development, integrating existing components across multiple service providers through open standards like XML, SOAP, WSDL, and UDDI for seamless messaging and discovery. Service-oriented architecture. The underlying architecture of web services comprises three entities: the service provider hosting and publishing services, the service consumer searching and binding to needed services, and the registry acting as a directory facilitating this discovery process. XML is the backbone of web services, providing a standard data representation and exchange mechanism, while components like SOAP for communication, WSDL for service description, and UDI for service registry enable seamless interoperability. XML enables cross-platform communication in web services by separating content from presentation, with DTDs and SSDs defining the structure and constraints for XML documents, allowing custom tags for data representation. SOAP, or Simple Object Access Protocol, is an XML-based protocol facilitating message exchange over the Internet via HTTP transport, with building blocks like envelopes, headers, body and fault handling enabling platform-neutral and extensible data exchange. WSDL, or Web Services Description Language, defines the structure and language for describing web services, specifying message types, data transfer, and binding between providers and consumers, with SOAP messaging bound to WSDL for communication. UDDI, or Universal Description, Discovery and Integration, is a registry framework for XML-based service metadata, allowing providers to publish and consumers to discover and bind to services, facilitating business discovery and connectivity. Security is an integral aspect of web services, with components like policies, trust, privacy, secure conversations, and quality of service management playing crucial roles in ensuring secure and reliable operations. Web services and service-oriented architecture principles play a pivotal role in enabling cloud computing, with the publish, bind, find model and understanding service providers, consumers, and deployment being crucial for leveraging cloud services effectively. In essence, web services enable diverse applications to communicate seamlessly without worrying about backend complexities, leveraging interoperability through open standards like XML and SOAP, with EDI being an early precursor, and service-oriented architectures underpinning modern cloud service models. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.